Where's my phone playing? So I'm literally so sleepy right now. I'm gonna play Call of Duty. So once upon a time, someone actually said my brother's kinda hot. In his school also, he said it to his mom. Of course our mom, not his mom, his dad. And that was the shockest thing in my life. Yeah, it was that. That's from Squid Game, the purple hair. I have not played this a long time though. Because my dad doesn't bite anymore or walking anymore. He just sleep. That's the candy that makes me dance jumpstyle. And if I do that, that's this. It's rank dance now because yeah, when you when you like drink it like the throat does when you do it. I mean, oh, gulp it. It makes you dance, jump. I mean, rat dance. So I'm gonna get another one and rat gonna gulp it. So I need to be